So it is 6:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on a Sunday afternoon. How am I up $320 in 30 minutes? So we're going to go over these 4 trades that I made here tonight, right when the futures open. So if we look at my trade platform here, this is what I use to trade futures. This is Thinkorswim. This is the Dow Jones Industrial Average, and this is the futures. It opens up at 6 p.m. on Sunday. That's when trading starts. That's when the Globex futures opens up. Anybody can trade these. You just have to sign up with your broker. It's not that difficult to sign up. The only thing is, depending on what you're trading, there's a different futures contract for every account size. So just keep that in mind. But this is my windows. This is what I look at. I have the price ladder over here. I have the 1 minute here, the 5 minute down here. And then I can look at what the ES is doing, which is the S&P 500, and what the NASDAQ is doing right here. So like I said, $320, 4 trades. We went 4 for 4, and we started at 6 p.m. on the dot and ended our last trade at 6:34. So for 34 minutes, $320 in profit. Not a bad start to the week. So the futures were opening up right here. You can see here, this is where the Dow futures were opening. We were at the low of the previous trading day, which was obviously Friday. A lot of times when the futures open up at the low, you'll see some buying pressure come in because you're already at the low. Once the buying comes in, now I'm short biased the market overall. I think there's still way more correction to be seen, but we were so low on the RSI. We were so low on the daily chart that we were bouncing off of this trend line. This trend line that I noticed pretty clearly on the daily chart. It doesn't mean that it's going to hold up during the course of the week. I'm just looking to take advantage of a half an hour. All right, that's what a scalp trader does. So if we dial in right here, my entries and my exits to find out how I was scalping this, I was scalping the obvious trend. So for the first 3 trades right here, very obvious, right? We're in an uptrend, comes back down to the trend line, comes back down to the trend line. That's where I take my second trade, sell back up here into resistance, which you can see right here very clearly. Second trade, third trade right here, sell at the top of the trend line. Once this breaks, now you can tell here, I'm not trading right here. I'm waiting to see what happens. Now, why do I go long right here? Very, very simple. More technical analysis. You can see here, the top wick here, top wick here, support here, support here. So we saw resistance, and then it turns into support. Now, the futures trades on technicals, emotions, that's all the traders are trading right now. It's as simple as that. Other traders are doing technical analysis just like I am. And that's the way the futures trade. The Asian markets aren't even open yet. The European markets aren't open yet. They are open to our futures, but their stock market is not going to dictate yet what happens right now. This is all technical trading. So when I saw it base over here at previous resistance, support, I started to get long. And that was my last trade right there. And then we ran into sort of, you can call it sort of a double top up there. And now we're in a range. This is all just technical analysis. That's all this is. So it's 1 trade, 2 trades, 3 trades, 4 trades, going 4 for 4, like I said, in a half an hour, and making $320 just on knowing some price action and some technical analysis. So that's it. If you guys also are interested in joining our community, it's the Green Bar Trading Community. The link will be in the description. And this is it right here. It's a great group. It's all we do in here is just talk about exactly what we're looking at. And this goes on all weekend long. So if you're interested in, you know, a little bit different of a community, anything that you want more interaction with me personally, this is the group that I am dealing with on a very close basis, just about, you know, all day long. So you're more than welcome to join. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the thumbs up. I will see you back tomorrow. Take care, guys.